Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a quick update and your daily update, of course, on Solana. Which it's been a pretty volatile day for Solana. I mean, obviously in the markets, mainly due to the Bitcoin drop that we had a bit of bearish momentum. And as most of you know, if you watch my videos at least, bearish momentum for Bitcoin equals bearish momentum for Solana at this moment. They are very, very correlated. Bitcoin dominance is obviously going up, so that means that most altcoins are quite correlated to Bitcoin. And we already saw, I mean, when we looked at Solana yesterday, because this was expected. I mean, this line is what I drew yesterday, all right? And most of you will know that if you watched the video. Because what we saw yesterday already is that, first of all, I thought Bitcoin was pretty weak yesterday, even though it did recover. But Solana never recovered like Bitcoin did. And Solana just held this 102 resistance level as resistance. Never got, like Solana did not get any bullish confirmation whatsoever. I mean, we found support at the 0.382 fib. But that support did not cause any breakouts. And then what we saw yesterday already is that the momentum was dropping down, which has since stabilized a bit. And that's where we are right now. So we dropped down lower towards this technical support level at the 618 and 200 EMA. That's a strong level. And I do think there are possibilities and opportunities to get a little bit more of a bullish Solana at this moment. But altogether, it's not looking great. Now, I wanted to look at something else. Oh yeah, well, it was also a pretty big day for Solana because we had a major launch. All right, Jupiter launched, and what we saw yesterday is that Solana, in terms of a network, and if we look at the network statistics, was doing great. It actually made new highs at a total value locked of $1.63 billion. The centralized exchange volumes also rocketed again, or rocketed, they jumped up. So fundamentally, I would actually say that Solana is doing fine, is actually doing pretty good. But fundamentals, and that's the problem with crypto sometimes, fundamentals do not always translate into a more bullish coin. All right, so like I said, at this moment, we are finding support. However, Solana is no longer very bullish. Like right here, it was bullish. We were making higher lows, and the momentum especially was supporting it. But right now, the momentum is dropping down, and Bitcoin has just received a bearish breakout below 42,500, and Solana is still correlated for about 96% to Bitcoin. So in my eyes, what I think is most likely is that, sure, before we get into that, of course, if Bitcoin becomes very bullish right now, Solana will follow that as well. And I would say that there's a chance that Bitcoin breaks above 42,000 again. But if that happens, I was wrong because it's not what I expect. All right. But if that happens, then Solana can get back up to 104 and 106. I think, though, if we're looking at all of the numbers right here, I think it's more logical, and I think it's better to expect Solana to rally up a bit to recover some ground here, but that it will find resistance here between $98 and $100 to continue dropping down to the bottom of the previous range, or the range we are still in, between $90 and $85. And then I also do think that level will hold, because then again, there's also a major support level for Bitcoin down here. So that's going to provide support. In turn, that's going to provide support for Solana. So I don't expect a massive crash, but I do think that if you look at the market structure, it's more likely that it looks more like a consolidation now. And usually after hitting the top of the consolidation here, you drop down to the bottom. So that's what I expect. I think that's what you need to know for now. If you want more value from me and also my trades, etc., there will be links to my premium and signals group down in the description and a pinned comment. But that's for you to check out. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great week, and bye.